Hey everybody, this is Massimo from Trading for Purpose, and today I would like to have a look at a special situation that, in my opinion, is developing in the feeder cattle contract. Okay, we will have a look at the August contract, but uh, you could consider the September and the October contract as well. So we're looking at this one for comfort, but consider the September and the October contracts as well. Okay, as we can see, feeders declined since. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh wait, let's check it this way. Okay. Feeder is declining since well October 2015, a very steep decline. But right now it reached a support line about $135, and if we look at the daily chart, for August, we can see that right now it is trying to form a base. I think this base is very interesting, but let's start from the very beginning. Well, here we have the commitment of traders, and we see that the commercials have reached a very bullish position right now, and the funds were very short, but they are beginning to buy back. We can see it in here as well. As you know, this is the bar chart, commitment of traders chart. You know, here we have the legacy cut, the one we saw before, and this one is the new edition. Okay, if we look right now, we see that the commercial, during the base, the commercials have bought, but also, and this is very interesting, also swap dealers have bought this contract. Swap dealers operate on behalf of very big hands, pension funds and so on. But we can see that even the managed money, the funds, the hedge funds and so on, they are starting to buy again. They have reached a sort of bottom and they are starting to buy feeders again. Okay, this is for the commitment of traders. A friend of mine, Daniele Lavecchia, who is a very expert and seasoned trader, is teaching me to trade in the wyckoff style, you know, dividing in phases the trading ranges. I'm not very proficient, I'm studying it, but I can see that we could be at the C phase of the typical wyckoff accumulation pattern. This is confirmed, for example, by the buying selling indicator, a very simple indicator that tell us if we are, which tells us if sellers or buyers are dominant in a contract. We can see that the price declined, but the buying selling pressure did not decline. On the contrary, it has risen. And this let me think that this one could be accumulation. So from now on, we could see a good movement. This contract is just trying right now to pass this descending trend line here. So I think we are at a very, very interesting point. My opinion is that this contract could rise and could rise sharply. But let's check seasonality as well. Okay, now let's check it this way. Okay, as we can see, feeders have just reached a seasonality bottom, a typical seasonality bottom. This is the current year price movement, and this one is the average, 5 years average. As you can see, usually in the beginning of July, feeders start to rally. Telling the truth, the contract, yes, the contract did not follow seasonality trend this year strictly, but it could get in synchro right now. So this is an interesting hint as well. I think that's all. I think this one could be a very, very interesting opportunity. Be careful, because we could see another descent here, maybe another stop in volume like this here, or it could start to rise today. We don't know. And you can choose to enter this contract when it crosses the trend line. You can see it here. When it definitely crosses the trend line, or you might want to enter at the first bullish bar. This is up to you. Okay, this is all. Please remember that this is not a trade solicitation. If you trade, you do it at your own responsibility, blah blah blah, and so on. Okay, bye bye.